Your home is your sanctuary. It's where you make memories with your loved ones and feel safe and secure. But what happens when you need a roof replacement in Thornton, Colorado? At Denny's Roofing LLC, we pride ourselves on providing high quality, secure, and great looking roofs. Our experienced roofers know what it takes to get the job done right. From start to finish, we're dedicated to providing a 5-star customer service experience. And how do we know our customer service is top-notch? Because 93% of our business comes directly from referrals. We're your local roofer, working hard to ensure you're cared for. We understand that your home is your biggest investment, and we treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Our installation procedures are second to none, ensuring that your new roof is built to last. We take pride in our workmanship and stand behind it with a guarantee. Call us at 970-478-9607 and let us show you how stress-free and enjoyable the roofing process can be. You can also check our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Thornton-roofing-company for the list of services we offer. Trust Denny's Roofing LLC to provide a secure, beautiful, lasting roof.